Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 5. I am up and down and round and round. Exercise set 5.5, question 2. It's on page number 105. The question says, explain why the following statement is true. If the perpendicular distance of a chord from the center is d and the radius is r, then the chord length is 2 root of r square minus d square. We have to prove that this statement is true. So what does the statement say? Statement says if the perpendicular distance of a chord from the center is d and the radius is r, then the chord length is 2 root r square minus d square. So we'll take a circle here. Let this be the chord. Let this be the center. I am naming the center as O and naming the center chord as AB. Okay. Here, if the perpendicular distance of the chord from the center is D, so we will draw a perpendicular from the center to the chord. Let OM be perpendicular to AB. They are telling this OM is equal to D. It is D units, D. And the radius is R. Radius means what? AO. So we'll join AO. This is R. Okay. Let O be the center of the circle. Let AB be a chord let OM be perpendicular to AB. Join OA. So here, OM is equal to D. It is the perpendicular distance, and OA is equal to R. This is the radius. Now, what we will do? First, we will find the length of AM. Okay. This is a right angle triangle. We will apply the Pythagoras theorem to this right angle triangle. In triangle OMA, in triangle OMA, angle OMA is equal to 90 degrees because OM is perpendicular to AB. So OA square is equal to OM square plus am square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now, what is OA? OA is R. So R square will be equal to OM. OM is D. D square plus AM square. I will write the equation like this. D square plus AM square is equal to R square. Transpose D square to the right side. AM square will be equal to R square minus D square. AM will be equal to square root of R square minus D square. We have found length of AM in terms of R and D. Now, AB is the chord. AB is a chord given OM is perpendicular to AB given, so AM will be equal to MB, because the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord of the circle bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. This is a theorem. So we have shown AM equal to MB. Therefore, AM equal to MB will be equal to root of R square minus D square. Okay, now AB is equal to AM plus MB. You can see here AB is equal to AM plus MB. So AB will be equal to, AM is what? AM is root of R square minus D square plus MB is also root of R square minus D square. AB equal to root of R square minus D square plus root of R square minus D square is 2 root r square minus d square. So we have shown that AB is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. Therefore, the chord length is 2 root r square minus d square. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.